Welcome to Review Rumble. The best coloring kit is probably one of the most exciting and creative gifts you can give to a young artist. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of coloring kits, exploring what makes a great set, from the quality of the markers to the variety of the coloring pages. We'll be looking at different kits, comparing their features, and helping you find the perfect one to spark joy and imagination. Number 5. Crayola Tie-Dye Art Case, 140 CT, Kids Art Kit. Introducing the Crayola Tie-Dye Art Case, a comprehensive art kit designed for young artists. It's packed with everything they need to unleash their creativity, making it a perfect gift for kids. This amazing set includes 140 pieces, such as washable markers, colored pencils, crayons, and paper. It provides a wide range of tools for various art projects, ensuring hours of creative fun. The compact and durable tie-dye art case allows kids to take their art supplies anywhere. Its sturdy construction can handle active use and frequent transport, making it ideal for travel. Whether it's art class, home projects, or holiday crafts, this kit has it all. It's a complete set of creative tools that kids will adore, suitable for various artistic endeavors. The set features a wide variety of colors, from bright and bold to soft and subtle. This allows kids to create artwork that truly pops, bringing their imaginations to life. The case is designed with trays and compartments to keep everything organized and accessible. This makes it easy for kids to find their supplies and focus on their artwork. This art kit is safe and non-toxic, making it ideal for children ages 5 and up. Parents can rest assured knowing that their children are using safe and high-quality art supplies. What we like. This kit is your all-in-one art solution, offering a wide array of supplies for any project. It's perfect for taking your art on the go, thanks to its compact and organized design. If you're looking for a gift that sparks creativity and keeps everything tidy, you should consider this. What people say. The coloring kit includes a variety of coloring tools, such as crayons, markers, and colored pencils. The kit comes with a carrying case, making it easy to store and transport the art supplies. The coloring pages feature different designs, including animals, flowers, and patterns. Number 4. iBayam 150-piece Deluxe Art Set. This Deluxe Art Set from iBayam has everything you need to start creating. It's perfect for artists of all levels, from beginners to experienced creators. With this set, you can explore your artistic talents. The set includes a wide variety of high-quality art supplies, all neatly organized in a wooden case. It comes with sketchbooks, a coloring book, and a gift box, making it a great gift option. This set is designed to inspire and encourage artistic expression. This art kit is ideal for school, office, travel, or home use. It's a fantastic gift for kids and adults alike, suitable for various occasions. The set is perfect for anyone who loves art. The art supplies are made with safe, non-toxic materials, conforming to ASTM D4236 standards. This ensures that the set is safe for artists of all ages. You can rest assured that it is safe to use. The set includes a comprehensive range of art supplies, including colored pencils, oil pastels, watercolor cakes, and more. It provides all the tools needed to showcase anyone's talent. This set is a complete package for all your artistic needs. iBayam prioritizes quality and customer satisfaction. If you have any issues with the set, please contact us. We are here to help ensure your satisfaction with this product. What we like. This deluxe art set comes with everything a young artist needs, neatly packed in a beautiful gift box. It's designed for artists of all levels, from beginners to experienced creators. If you like having a wide variety of art supplies and a beautiful gift box, you should consider this. What people say. Wide variety of art supplies in this set, good quality materials, the supplies are well organized in a nice wooden box. It gives functionally to the user, easy to carry anywhere. This is a very good gift for kids of all ages. Made of wood and sturdy. Very easy to use, and it has all the things which a kid needs to work on some art project. Its size is, color are same as description. Design is really very good, in that price point it really a very good choice. It contained everything she needed. It included colored pencils, oil pastels, watercolor discs and brushes, markers and crayons, along with pencil sharpener, erasers, mixing palette, glue, paper, and clips. Number 3. JOYEZA Rock Painting Kit Deluxe. This kit sparks creativity in kids of all ages. It's a fun way to create unique art and spread positive messages. Kids will love the fun of rock painting from the moment they open the box. It encourages creativity and artistic skill development, offering an engaging alternative to screens. This kit is a great gift for kids. It provides hours of fun with smooth stones, vibrant paints, and fun accessories. It's also perfect for children's parties. This kit includes 12 rocks, paint brushes, various paint colors, glitter glue, transfer sheets, googly eyes, and sparkling gems. It offers more items than similar products, helping kids develop their artistic skills. All JOYEZA products come with a lifetime guarantee. If you have any problems with it, you are welcome to a 100% refund and free replacement, no questions asked. What we like. This kit offers a unique way to express creativity with rock painting, perfect for sparking imagination. It's a great choice for kids who love to create and share their art. If you have kids who love to create and share their art, you should consider this. What people say. The coloring kit includes a variety of coloring tools, such as markers, colored pencils, and crayons. The kit features a wide selection of coloring pages with different themes and designs. The coloring pages are printed on high-quality paper that prevents ink from bleeding through. Number 2. GirlZone Fruit Scented Markers, 38 vibrant shades. Introducing the GirlZone Fruit Scented Markers. This set is packed with 38 vibrant, fruity colors. It's the perfect choice for any young artist looking to add some fun to their creations. These markers are washable, making cleanup a breeze. They are ideal for both home and travel, thanks to the included case. Let your kids explore their creativity without any worries. Designed for ages 4 and up, these markers turn any drawing into a masterpiece. Whether it's a sketch or a detailed artwork, it allows young artists to let their imaginations soar with these colorful art supplies. Perfect for school projects or home crafts, these markers are a must-have. They inspire creativity and learning, adding a fun twist to art time. It's a top pick for any art kit. Looking for a great gift? This set is perfect for Christmas or birthdays. Inspire young artists to express themselves with colorful markers and a splash of fruity fun this holiday season. What we like. This set brings a burst of fruity fun to your child's art with its scented markers. The washable ink makes it easy to clean up, and the travel-friendly design is perfect for on-the-go creativity. If you are looking for a fun and mess-free art experience, you should consider this. What people say. They smell great, have great color and assorted size markers. The little compartments with zippers and the fact that it just rolls up easily and sticks itself closed with Velcro if wonderful. The markers are great quality and she has so much fun smelling the scents as she colors. Number 1. WEIRTOYA Unicorn Art Set for Girls. This amazing set includes everything a young artist could need. It has a variety of colorful markers, crayons, and stickers. It's perfect for sparking creativity. The unicorn case keeps everything organized with 4 zippered compartments. It's easy for her to carry around with the handle. She can take it anywhere, whether it's a play date or a holiday. This set is the perfect gift for any little girl. It's great for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It will surely create a wow moment for any unicorn lover. With all the colorful drawing tools, it inspires imagination and creativity. It encourages kids to collaborate and create together. It's the ultimate gift that any little girl will adore. The markers are washable and safe for kids. Each one has its own fruity smell. It's the perfect way to keep your little artist happy and busy. What we like. This unicorn-themed set is designed to inspire creativity with its colorful markers and accessories. The included case keeps everything organized, making it easy to take anywhere. If you like a themed art set that's both fun and practical, you should consider this. What people say. The kit includes a variety of coloring tools, such as colored pencils, markers, and crayons. The coloring pages feature different designs, including animals, flowers, and patterns. The kit is suitable for girls of different ages. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.